Welcome back to another video day, everybody. I've been thinking real hard about if I could only do 5 performance modifications to my STI, what would they be? And the way I came up with it was each one of these modifications is a modification that I feel makes the biggest impact overall. Some of the modifications can be viewed as not warranty friendly, so as with anything, mod at your own risk. If you're worried about your warranty, then you may not want to test the theory and install anything that you feel the Subaru wouldn't like. So just jumping right into it here right off the bat. First things first, lightweight wheel and tire package. I think my wheels, the Advans and stuff over the OEM stocker boat anchors saved me roughly 36 pounds overall. And when I switch from my winter setup back to the summer Advans here, it's crazy how responsive the car becomes. And when you do drop that much unsprung weight, you can definitely tell a difference in the liveliness of just the turning and stuff with the car. It's crazy. In my opinion, STI, Subaru could have put lighter wheels on the car than what they did with the 19-inch wheels. I think those things, the combination together, wheel and tire package, I have a video about that, but I think they're plus 50 pounds, which is insane for a little 4-cylinder 4-door family car. In my opinion, number 2 on the list as far as overall performance modification goes would be a really good set of coilovers. Not lowering springs, you need to get you a good set of coils. And I've got the Cygnus performance ones, but any of them, name brand, that you could get that are of good quality. And I'm not talking about the cheap eBay ones, although those might work, but I really wouldn't test that if you wanted good quality and something that's going to last for a while. And I'm sure there's going to be some people say that they've had eBay coilovers for 30,000 miles and no issues. So yeah, even a blind squirrel finds a nut occasionally. So, but so let's say good set of coils, get them set right, your ride height and stuff, and overall, as I say, I think it tightens up the handling very well, especially for a 19 and up STI. I think the 18 and up STIs really benefit from a good set of coilovers. The factory suspension's kind of really super stiff. Moving on down the list, number 3 is a larger rear sway bar. I think mine's a 24 millimeter adjustable rear sway bar, and I'll go as far as to say it's kind of like a bundle package. Rear sway, lower control arms, rear toe, and end links with the brace kit. Usually you can buy that as a bundled package, and so we'll just call that one piece, one cohesive piece, because you kind of need all of that. Need the control arms when you lower the car to get everything back in spec for alignment and stuff, but then put you a performance alignment on it, just nothing crazy. -1 camber all around and stuff should be good. So full suspension, rear sways, everything. That's number 2 and 3. So number 4 on the list of biggest performance gain and modification would be the shifter bushings. The shifter bushings are really super cheap, and at the same time they tighten the sloppiness of the shifter up immensely. It's crazy how much difference it feels. It's kind of I don't know, I can't really explain. It's just super notchy feeling, I guess. It's the best way to explain it. But for a bang for your buck modification, hands down, the shifter bushings are the way to go, 100%. And then number 5 on the list, if I only could do 5 modifications and I could do all these other ones, the number 5 would be a stage 1 access port with a Pro Tune. With all the other modifications, you can really take advantage of a little extra power, and like I say, awesome handling, good responsiveness due to the lighter wheels and tires. Just overall it brings the STI package all together as a cohesive piece. And like I say, for a reliability standpoint, you'd have a pretty stone cold reliable STI. Handles well and daily the crap out of it. Granted, you don't go too stiff on all your other settings, and then just overall you'd have a really nice STI. So with that being said, like I say, if I had 5 modifications that I could do, that's what I would do to my STI to make it the most reliable and most fun that I could. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.